Leopard versus deer. The ultimate chase. In the wild, only the fastest survive. But who will be the prey today? Hold on, there's a skilled predator waiting for the perfect moment. A thrilling chase. This leopard won't stop until it catches its prey. The battle for survival is over. This leopard secures its prize, taking it high into the tree safe from any threats. Only the strongest survive. Who will win in the wild? Watch more thrilling wild moments. Don't forget to like and share.